So as you get feedback on your idea and talk to people about your business idea in general, you will need to explain your idea clearly, right?
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So you've got to learn what's called how to pitch your idea. This is probably the number one, pound for pound, most important thing early on. Why? Because you're going to be talking to your customers, investors, your friends, your family, how you describe things on your website, when you try to get publicity, when you try to hire anyone, when you try to get co-founders. What do you have to do? Explain to people what your business is all about, get them excited about it, so that they want to then take the next steps with you, right? Whatever that may be. Investors maybe invite you for a longer meeting, or at least ask you questions. Potential co-founders, if you're looking for them, should get excited about your business and see the vision that you're sharing. Stuff like that. Potential employees should want to work for you. So you're going to be pitching your business every day, multiple times a day, if you're really working hard on it, right? So this is a must. If you're getting feedback, this is also a must. You can't get around it. You've got to pitch your business. So everyone you talk to, okay, here are the goals when you explain your business. The point is of having a good, concise pitch so that you don't ramble. A lot of first-time entrepreneurs and even experienced entrepreneurs, they ramble, they get excited, they get off track, they get sidetracked, they give analogies, they give examples. Don't. Be very simple, use clear language, be very clear so that people understand. This is the number one most important thing you have to accomplish, because if people don't understand, everything else is useless, right? They must understand. Then you also should be brief. People usually talk about an elevator pitch being under 60 seconds, under a minute. I like under 30 seconds because 60 seconds is also kind of a long time to talk, especially in different circumstances. You never know, you might need to do it shorter. And so what are the goals? Okay, you want to do it, be clear, be brief, and generate interest. So the person should understand. If it's not for them, if they don't care about this idea, they should understand that, and they can go on their merry way. But if it's for them, if something in it strikes their interest, you should kind of explain it clearly and stop so that they can ask you follow-up questions. So, have you raised money? How are you going to make money? How are you marketing this thing? Do you have a team? So they'll ask you all kinds of questions, and then you'll have a conversation. Now, some advanced things, okay? The things I mentioned prior to now, those were musts. You must be clear, you must be brief, things like that. Some advanced things, once you get good at pitching, you can also be entertaining, like make some jokes, even you can be funny. And if it's really good, you're going to inspire people, because at the end of the idea, at the end of your pitch, they'll see, oh wow, this person is really going to change the world. Okay, wow, this is something really fascinating. I gotta really help this person or something, or I gotta join their team, or I gotta invest. This is a big deal here. So you've got to have people do something like, have that sort of, and if you can make it even personal, maybe have the pitch relate to them in some sense. So before you pitch the idea, find out a little bit about who you're talking to and see what part of your pitch you can sort of connect to that person. That will also be very, very good, because then it becomes personal, which will be far easier to get people's feelings involved and get them inspired and things like that. So that's the pitch goals. Now, let me give you this pitch template, which will make it so super easy. And the credit for this goes to Adeo Resi, who is the founder of, God, it's escaping me now, but the Founder Institute. He's the founder of the Founder Institute. He's the creator of the Founder Institute. Adeo is a multiple times successful entrepreneur, a very smart guy, one of the most respected guys in the startup field. And he's great, and I learned this template from him. So let me explain to you the theory of how to do this, and in the next slide, I'll actually give you an example. I'll actually have 2 examples. So first of all, this is exactly how you pitch your business. My company, and you tell your company name, and you can say is developing, and you say what your product is, or you can say has developed or is growing. What you add your verbs, and then you ask then you explain how the product will be helpful to someone, right? And then what the problem is that you're solving, and sometimes 3 and 4 can be together, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. And of course, everybody wants to know how. So number 5 is what Adeo calls the secret sauce. You don't have to give away your secrets, but just give a high level explanation of how your business is different, how your approach is different and unique, and how you have a competitive advantage. And again, the whole point of this is a lot of people are afraid to tell their business ideas. So the whole point of this is to give a very high level but clear explanation of what you're doing, so that at the same time you're not giving away your secrets, but you are communicating your idea. And if you're communicating your idea, the next is you can have a good conversation about it with whoever you're telling whoever you're telling your pitch to. So let me give you an example of my business, okay? I'll tell you an example of my business, which basically is I created some mobile applications for entrepreneurs to help them plan and start a business. So that was so I'm going to pitch this business using this template, okay? And you can see how you can use this template for your business, okay? Because every business applies, and this template can apply to every business. So let me try this for you. So I'm going to pitch my business, right? This is a live example of my own pitch. My company, Problemio.com, is developing mobile apps to help entrepreneurs plan and start their business by giving them tools and personal help to support them in growing a company. Right? See that? I see what kind of problem I solve is I help them grow a company, right? And I give them support. That's how I help them. And the secret sauce is by providing live expert help on the apps, right? So that's the secret feature. That's the main feature, is that the apps give you live coaching. It's not just an app, it's actually connects you to an expert, a real person, which actually is me, who is a good person because I've helped over 1,000 people on my apps. And I think overall there's like hundreds of thousands of people using the apps, and I've helped over 1,000 of them literally by typing and chatting with them. So I'm a really good person to get it, to give help because I have so much experience with it now. Okay, let's do another example of a very different business. A restaurant. So I'm starting a restaurant that will serve Italian food. And you can see I'm merging 3 and 4 right here. So to provide quality Italian food in a neighborhood that doesn't have any Italian restaurants. Okay, that's the problem I'm solving. There's no Italian restaurants in this neighborhood. I think that's the opportunity. And the advantage of the business will be its uniqueness in the neighborhood and our world-class chef, right? So really good food, and there's nothing like it in the neighborhood. And that's the business, right? And try to craft your pitch. And if you'd like to post your pitch in the course discussions so that me and other students can critique your pitch, that will be actually fun. And we can tell you if it's clear, is it inspiring, should it be adjusted, so feel welcome to post your pitches as course discussions, and the rest of the students and myself will help you. Anyway, so hopefully that helps you pitch your business and make your explanations really clear. So try it, and